Welcome to this segment. Let's meet NotebookLM. So NotebookLM ni nini? NotebookLM is here to help all students with the exam preparation. So what you do, you upload your resources. Hii tuseme ni PDF zenye umepewa na lekua yenyu, una upload hapo ndani, itakuwa sources. Now you can name it, example kama ni UCC, unaweza ita UCC whatever ya course yako. You wait, Google load your resources. So what's happening here? Your resources will be used as the database. AI, which is Gemini in this case, haitakuwa inatoa information from the internet ikikuambia pana, inatumia your own resources, the resources that you were given by the school, by your lecturers. So you are wondering, nitapitia aje hizo 10 PDF, 15 PDF, nitashika aje? It's simple. Now that your resources zitakuwa loaded, what you have to do, you have options. There is a video overview, which huwa ina take long, but unaona generated an explainer video presented to you by AI. Mind maps. This will help you visualize or connect the PDFs. So let's do one option. You can see if after imemaliza kuload inakwambia introduction to IT project management and frameworks. So let me show you something. Generate an AI interactive quiz based on your sources. That's what you want. Ndio kusaidia kushika vitu haraka. For quick revision, for brainstorming, very fast. Mind map itakucreate the whole course in your mind like a picture, so that ujue mbona hii unasoma hii ina relate aje na ile, and reports, as you know, is just what you uploaded. You don't need that because hiyo itakusaidia kwa ku. Now you can see the project management quiz. Let's see, tuone AI imepata maswali gani kutoka hapo. You see, inakugeneratea. Now ulikuwa na stress, nita revise aje, nitapata wapi past papers? You don't need past papers, you just need to upload the resources in your your lec or your professor, and you go on with the day. So which, for example, this one, you can just click that. You see, it tells me I'm wrong. The right answer is this. So in all possible variation of the questions that can possibly come. So if you like this content, or you want to know more about how you can improve your education or your time in campus or any institution, best resources, what to do next, reach out. I'll get back to you. Thank you.